Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. So today I want to share with you guys these tips how to clean your blood and cause your skin to glow. So when your blood is cleansed, your looks look glowing, and you look great and younger. So I'm going to be sharing these tips with you people, how to clean your blood so that your skin will glow and feel healthier and look younger. Of course, it can still help you to lose weight and live a happier life. So let's go to the kitchen and see what we're going to be having today. All right, thank you. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. All right, guys. So we're going to be having 4 lemon today for this juicing that we're going to be having, already washed, and then we're having 2 lime for this juice and a ginger. Then we're having two what's it called, turmeric, fresh turmeric. You can use dried powder turmeric if you want, and a garlic, a whole garlic. And now I'm going to just cut the lemon into two, and you can cut it to any size you want. Depends on the flavor you really want. So if you want a deeper flavor, you can cut it into smaller size to get to really have the whole juice out. So but me, I'm going to cut it into two. So after cutting it, I will now pour it inside a very hot water, boiled water. But you can choose to boil yours on the fire if you like. Just watch to the end and see how we're going to be doing it now. Yeah, now I have to juice out the juice from it. I'm just going to juice all of them and then we'll watch later. So yeah, after juicing it, we are going to use the water to blend the ginger and the rest. So I'm going to turn the water into the blender. Yeah, so now I'm going to take hot water, boiled water, to put it inside the shell, the back of the lemon, and that we juice out, and the lime. So I'm going to leave it for like um 5 minutes or more, but I will advise you for you to leave it longer if you really want to have a fuller taste and a better result. Leave it for at least 20 minutes, or you just boil it on the fire. But because I don't want to boil it, because I don't want the taste to be too strong. Yeah, so now I have so we have garlic. I'm going to put the garlic inside the lemon water that I want to blend, see, and the turmeric, the ginger. Now I'm just going to blend them together. So this is our fat burning juice. Just take it first thing in the morning or the last thing at night before you go to bed for a better result. You can take it for morning and night or once in a day. It depends on your choice. But I normally take it in the morning. Yeah, that's it. See, the color look like orange juice. Yeah, now I'm just going to filter it. Just get the juice out of it. So it depends on how much you want to take. You can take a larger portion of it, like let the juice be more. But because it's just me, I just have to do it a little bit, just a small size of it. Yeah, you see. Now I'm going to get the water that So I'm going to get the water from the back of the lemon. You know, even the back of the lemon and the lime is beneficial to our health also. It has its own work. So it's rich in antibiotic and good for our health, to boost your immune system. So I'm just going to take out the whole thing and use the water. But I would advise, if you want, you can let the water cool down because of time factor, and I don't have more time, so I just like leave it for 5 minutes and then use water even when it's still warm. But it's still okay if it's warm, you know. I like to take warm something in the morning. It's not even so hot anyway. I'm just going to use the whole water to have enough. So here now, just for you to turn it, and then voila. But I have to add a little honey. I normally put honey in all my juice. Even if I'm doing smoothie, I like to add honey because honey is very beneficial to our health, rich in antibiotic and antioxidants, great in nutrient and vitamins. So I need honey in all my juice for it to have a better taste because I don't use sugar. I don't taste sugar, you know. So yeah, a teaspoon of honey. Then stir it together. Voila. This is our fat burning juice. Take it first thing in the morning or the last thing at night. For a week, you have a better result. See the color? Like orange juice, isn't it? It's good. So that's it.
Yeah, this is it.
I hope you guys like it, and yeah, put into practice and you'll see you get a better result. So these are fat burning juice for morning or at night for a better result. So thank you.